What's good, boys? Today is. Oh shit. My bad, bro. Today is a great day. Why? Actually, I did not win. Actually, I was kind of far away from winning. But that still means that, it was a losing trade and I managed to have a break-even trade, right? So that means technically that, it's the end of our losing streak. I can update this now. Doesn't change too much, but mentally it's still great. Yeah, really, really not changed. Really not changed at all, bro. Um, but yeah, that kind of, we can see some green, I guess. We can see some green after 18 days. Um, which is really sad to think. Actually, it's really sad. But let's just see what we have today. Um, really was a going down, bro. Simply going down. Boom, boom, boom. Break of structure here. Entered. Had my stop loss right there because it's low here. Boom. Kind of a continuation with the trend. So there you go, chop, 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 and it chopped a lot, you know, really a lot for 2 hours. But we had here that kind of was going up too, here that was going up and still is going up. So I said, bro, at the beginning, I was kind of putting my TP here, actually at the end of the week, which I'm glad to see I was right. And basically, because everything else was going up, I said, bro, you know what? Freak, I'm gambling it. I'm actually risking it because, at my point, if I lose, um, I don't know. Everything was going up, and I said, bro, bye. And because we were not sure, obviously scaling point afterwards, after this here, and as soon as he hit this, I moved my stop loss to above break even. I moved it here. As you can see, afterwards, pretty quickly bang, and well, the trade became incorrect. So yeah, my first idea was simply to put, here, uh, but I don't know. Really wasn't that appealing to me, even though it was still a win. I would have been like 40 up, for 400 up. No, like clear from complete drawdown, which is still great. But I really was like, bro, come on, bro, let's make it. Come on. I don't, some decisions sometimes you take that now, doesn't make as much sense. But I think it would have hurt me more seeing like hitting TP and then going up until there than what just happened, right? Because it's actually still feels it feels like a win because I did not lose. You know what I mean? Like we are at that point right now. We are at that point. So hopefully tomorrow or the day afterwards, um, you know, or after, because I already trade twice this week, so probably we'll have one or two setups more. Probably just one. Hopefully it's a win and not a loss, and we'll see. But kind of great trade to have taken. Well, my first idea was to put it there, but um, as I said earlier, probably I should have, bro. Probably I should have. Um, but it's good to know that, bro, when you're counter trending, just put your TP right there, bro. Put your TP right there. On every other day, I would have put it there, but because of how we are right now, and because everything was going up, which is kind of a confirmation bias, not gonna lie, kind of a confirmation bias, which is not good. I did this. Um, Probably was a mistake. But yeah, one day closer at that point, we want to try to hold hold it the longest time possible. Probably I could have put my stop loss at there. I don't know. Actually, that's where I put it. Um, and yeah, right now in a sense, bro, I mean, I kind of know that I'm going to lose it anyways, and that's how it's meant to be. At the beginning, I did not think it was going to go that way, but it has. So, what do you want me to do? Really bad month. And also the opportunities, well, we didn't take it, right? This day was a 200 day. I lost it. This day I should not have traded. I did, and I over risk and I knew that. This one was, I think, fine. This day I risked too much, instead of 1%, almost 2%. This day was literally my best day so far, not because I won, but also by the way I traded. Um, this day was a break even, and from there, it was all right, I guess, like all respecting the plan here, risking two times here, risking too much, and respecting the plan, more or less every time. And this day was, the one pip when I got stopped out by one pip, like it went to my yeah, I risked too much by mistake. So really, I did just not take advantage of the thing I should have. This day should have been a 500 day, and just that changes completely. And this day should have been a 200. And just by that, we would have been above break even if those 2 days would have been traded correctly. But that's how it's done. Now we just can't, the only thing we can is respect the plan, as I did here. Here I think too. Here, and here. Here, not as much, but here too. So that's good. It's a bit more because of the commissions, not because I'm risking a bit more, right? Um, but yeah, hopefully I have tomorrow we keep this streak going of the streak of not losing, and we can get finally a W, bro. We can finally get a W. The lesson learned today should have been something like that. Should have been this, and bro, yeah, and this today should have been this trade, and we would have been great. We would have been done for the day. But yeah, that's is also something I'm noticing is that I don't take smaller trades. Um, because I don't know, because I really don't know. Um, but yeah, that's a bit it for the day. Just want to check how much we are in. Yeah, so 8 minutes already. Yeah, so we're kind of good. Just did back-to-back videos, and we will post them soon. 28, 3 days for the NNN, and boys, it will be an interesting one. Hopefully, the series works. I encourage you to go and watch it. I think it will be fun, and it's also a great challenge, you know, but also to motivate other people, and also for me because if someone know that I noted like literally 48 hours in, I mean, you know what I mean. So yeah, that will be all, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye, bro.